XD Squad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a great day and a great week. So today I'm going to be showing my firearm collection as of June 2020. So, yeah. So, first off, we have my Spectator Classic Horn Strobe. The model number is P1224MC. So, yeah. I think it can kind of focus if I move it like this far or something. So, yeah. Alright, so next we have my Spectator Advanced P2R Horn Strobe. So, yep. And the model number is P2RA. So, yeah. Put the mounting bracket back on. Alright. Next, we have my Spectator Advanced SW Strobe. So, yeah. The model number is SW. So, yeah. Put this back on too. So, yep. Next off, we have my Spectator Advanced Mini Horn. The model number is MHRZA. So, yeah. So, next off, we have one of my Spectator Advanced speaker strobes in white. I have two of these actually. So yeah. So here's the one in white. So the model number is SPSWVA. So, yeah, for the white one. So, let's not go for this one. It's basically the same thing. So, let's go for the red one. Alright, so here we have my Spectator Advanced speaker strobe in red. The model number is SPSRVA. So, yeah, the W changes to an R. So, yeah. So, yeah, it's basically the same thing in red. So, alright, so next off we have my knockoff Spectator Classic. It's a knockoff, so wow, you can actually really see it. I mean, I don't know if this thing has a model number. I don't think it does. So, I mean, does this thing even have a model number? Okay, let's just skip this one. But, I mean, this is my knockoff Spectator. So yeah, I don't know if this thing is a model number or not. So yeah, next off we have my Wheel Lock RSS Strobe. So, the model number is RSSWP-2475W. So, yeah. Alright, and now, next off we have my EST Genesis Horn Strobe. The model number is G1R-HDVM. So, yeah. Alright, and next up we have my Mercom fire alarm bell. The model number is BL-6A, so yeah. Let's put that back. Alright, so next we have one of my Mercom pole stations. So, yep, so this is kind of a pain in the ass to hold down. Oh, geez. So, yeah, but model number, I mean, I do remember the model number. So, the model number is MS-401. So, yeah, that's the model number of it, but it's kind of a pain in the ass to pull down, so I'm not going to do that. So, then that's basically the same thing. So, yeah, and then last but not least, this is the newest alarm in my collection. Here we have my EST Genesis ceiling mount speaker strobe. Well, this is an alert speaker strobe. So yeah, and it's ceiling mount. So I have to take the mounting bracket off so I can see the model number. So let me do that for a second. Oh geez. Okay. Alright, here we go. So, yep. So this is the inside of it. So it's right here. So the model number is GCWA-S7 7M, VMHA. So, yep, that's the model number for that. Now, this is kind of hard to put the mounting bracket back on or something, so yeah, come on. Put the cover back on. Actually, it's a cover, not a mounting bracket, so it's kind of hard. Alright, well, there we go. We got that back on, so, yeah. I mean, I know I don't have that many firearms, but I'm planning on getting more in the future, so yeah. Well, anyways, guys, that's my firearm collection of June 2020, so yeah. Well, anyways, guys, I yeah, so anyways guys, I think that was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on that notifications bell. So yeah, anyways guys, peace out. So bye bye.